Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of frequently visited section on Safari. Deleting the frequently visited section on Safari can help maintain your privacy and declutter your browsing experience. So let's start the video. To remove frequently visited on Safari, open up Safari browser on your Mac. Here you will see your frequently visited sites on the start page. To remove a specific site, simply click on that particular website icon and select delete from the menu, and it will be gone. But if you want to delete this section entirely, then press and hold Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on any empty space on Safari homepage. A menu will appear. As you can see, show frequently visited is checked. Click on it to uncheck it. Frequently visited section is now removed. So that's how to get rid of frequently visited on Safari in MacBook. Thanks for watching.